morning, and we're reporting live from the Mountain State here in West Virginia, back again to my favorite local mountain, Timberline Mountain. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. Today we're looking at 1,000 feet of vertical. It's their preview weekend. They haven't established a true opening date yet. We're experiencing temperatures near 50 degrees today, but luckily we had some pretty decent conditions for them to snowmake all week to get us on the hill this early. So shout out to Timberline Mountain and the Mountain Ops teams for getting this place ready for us to go shred. Take me home country roads. That's how I feel right now, driving right to Timberline. Last season, Timberline scored the highest shred score in the Mid-Atlantic at a 4.4. So I won't be assessing it a shred score today. Excited to go shred at my favorite local mountain here in the Mid-Atlantic, get some turns in, and let's get ripping.
And it worked. We were waiting to test it. We wanted to test it last night, but we knew if we did, it would pull the visit off. So we were waiting for you to get here to test it.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate your help.
Thanks, Mark.
Well, we're all wrapped up here at Timberline Mountain in Davis, West Virginia. What a day it was out there. Sun hit it later on and softened it up, but got second chair of the season for Timberline. That's pretty awesome. Just a blast out here. Great people, great time, always. Love going down the hill here at Timberline, West Virginia. It's always a little uncrowded. I know it's a hidden gem, so I honestly feel bad even putting this video online. I've already given this place a shred score. It was a 4.4. Definitely looking forward to getting out to my next mountain. I'm not sure where it'll be. Maybe a return to Bryce where it all started. And I'll see y'all next time.